The Supreme Court has just struck down most of Donald Trump's tariffs, delivering a major body blow to a key part of his economic agenda. The court found that Congress has to go along with any kind of tax increase, and the president can't just do it alone. Trump can reimpose a lot of these tariffs through other laws and statutes, but most of them require a longer process with hearings and other things like that. The economy could benefit over time from this decision, and the financial markets did increase in the immediate aftermath of Donald Trump's tariffs being struck down. For example, businesses could now have more certainty about their costs going forward, and this could lead them to hire more or invest more in the coming year. Last year, in 2025, hiring ground almost to a halt because many businesses were uncertain about what costs they would be facing, partly because of the tariffs. For consumers, this ruling could lead to somewhat lower prices going forward. The tariffs didn't push up inflation as much as many economists feared, and some of the reason for that is because many of the tariffs were rolled back or delayed, and President Trump did reach some deals that lowered the tariffs. But still, most economists estimate that the duties have added about a half point to inflation in the past year. So with most of the tariffs struck down, consumers could face lower costs going forward for things like furniture, automobiles, and even some groceries. Another impact of the tariff ruling is that less money will flow into the government's coffers. The tariffs that were struck down by the Supreme Court on Friday did bring in about $133 billion of revenue for the U.S. government. So this will likely lead to larger deficits in the months and years ahead.